Let's start with the prayer. Please stand up. Mr. Pakaraman, please lead the prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, very good. Sit down properly. As I call your name, say present and say absent if your classmate is not around. Understand? Sapal Ruina, Bakulino Miplor, and Asil Jihana. Very good, because no one is absent for today. Before we start our lesson for today, we have an classroom rules. First, listen carefully when someone is speaking. Number two, wait for your turn and raise your hand if you want to answer. Keep quiet when someone is talking. Number four, show respect to your teacher and classmates. Understand? Okay. Class, I have a picture here and observe. First, okay. Class, what did you observe? Okay, very good. The first one is the India or the Taj Mahal. The second one is the Myanmar. Okay. Before we start our topic for today, we have an activity. Here, unscramble the letters to solve the puzzle. Class, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this. Okay? Class, are you done? Okay, very good. Who got perfect? Okay, very good. Eat the 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Before we start to our lesson for today, I would like to say, class, what our possible topic for today? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is about the famous architectural work in East Asia. The first, India. India art is deeply rooted on the religious beliefs, primarily on Buddhism and Hinduism. Class, I forgot to say, class, we have an objective for today. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to A. Identify and match at least 5 famous architectural works in Asia with their respective countries. B. Express appreciation of Asian architecture by sharing at least one idea or reaction during discussion. And C. Create a simple poster drawing of one selected work with its name and country. Class, our topic for today is about the famous architectural works in Asia. The first is India. India art is deeply rooted on the religious belief, primarily on the Buddhism and Hinduism. The architectural in India, the famous architectural is the Taj Mahal. Here, the Taj Mahal was built Shah Jahan in the 7th century as a love while Taj Mahal name. For the second, China. China are shaped by different succeeding dynasties and influenced by different philosophies such as Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism. The famous architectural in China. China, the Forbidden City. Ito yung Forbidden City. Because during the time of the Chinese emperors, ordinary people were forbidden to enter without permission from the emperor. The third one is Japan. Japan is a traditional art where influenced by Sento, the indigenous spirituality of the peoples of Japan. Eventually, then Buddhism from the China also became a dominant influence in Japan arts and the culture. The architectural works in the Japan is the Angkor Wat Temple. The Angkor Wat is important to the Cambodia people because it is the largest religious monument in the world and symbol of their history, culture, and national identity. For the number 4, Cambodia. Cambodia is the microscope of the universe. In the Cambodia, Angkor is the largest religious monument in the world. And the 5, Thailand. Thailand, the radiance of feet. The Wat Phra Kaeo is known for its colorful design and important installation. The famous architecture in the Thailand is Wat Phra Kaeo. Wat Phra Kaeo is called Wat Phra Kaeo because it is the temple that houses the famous Emerald Buddha, the most sacred Buddhist image in the Thailand. Number 6, Myanmar. The Myanmar building monuments, the Swedagon Pagoda is covered in the gold. It is a symbol of strong and faith. The famous architecture in the Myanmar is Swedagon Pagoda. Here the Swedagon Pagoda. Swedagon Pagoda because the name comes from the Burmese word. Sho means gold. Dagon is the ancient name of the area where it's located, modern-day Yangon. And the pagoda naman is refers to the Buddhist stupa or sacred structure. Number 7, Malaysia. Islam elegance. The Johor Mosque has come that represent important beliefs in Islam. So, here the picture of the Johor Mosque. Johor Mosque is important in Malaysia because it is one of the oldest and most beautiful mosque in the country and a major symbol of the Islamic faith in the state of Kedah. Indonesia. Indonesia is the spiritual monument, the Borobudur. Borobudur is the largest temple that represents a journey to enlightenment. So, here the monuments of Borobudur. It is the world's largest Buddhist temple located in Mangilan, Central Java, Indonesia. It's built in the 8th and 9th century by the Silent Red Dynasty, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Class, did you understand what our topic for today? Okay. Now dahil dyan, we have an activity. Direction. Choose one architectural works in Asia that we discussed today. Or any additional one you will research. Draw it on a short bond paper and write 3 to 5 sentences and description and encoding. Number 1, name of the structure. Number 2, country where it is found. Number 3, what is known for. Understand? I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the question. Class, are you done? Okay. Who got perfect? Okay, thank you. Today, we have an quiz. Give 1/2 sheet of paper, answer only. I will give you 5 minutes. The first question is, where is the Taj Mahal located? Number 2, what is the famous wall in China called? What country is Angkor Wat located? Number 4, name one architectural works in Japan. What do architectural works represent? Class, before we go home, advanced study, page 20 to 25 page, and study because we have an long quiz. Class, please stand up. Okay, goodbye class.